Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. Odi. Today we are making garden eggs cabbage stew. That is nyadrobo and cabbage. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Come. Our ingredients will be needing our cabbage, garden eggs, flaked mackerel, fresh tomatoes, palm oil, fermented fish, that is momoni, and pepper, shredded onions, guys, and salt to taste. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. By cooking our garden eggs, I'll go ahead and cut the head from it and then cook it nicely. Go ahead and add my pepper, some salt to taste, cover it up. Put on the fire. As you can see, this is the back of the cabbage. Do never throw it away. You can always use it in your stews and sauces, guys. So I'm using the back of the cabbage for the garden cabbage stew. We'll start with our sauce. Go ahead and add my fermented fish. Fermented fish or momoni in this type of stew is a must. It's a must because it brings a lot of flavor and taste to your stew. It's a cabbage here. It's always nice. I'll go ahead and remove the bone from the momoni, our fermented fish. It's very important. I think especially if you have kids eating this food, you always have to remove your bones from the stew. Then add our shredded onions. You need a lot of onions for this recipe. You always have to shred it because at the end, when it's done cooking, you see it brings a lot of beauty to your stew, guys. And now any prefer come up with onions, shredded onions in it. Go ahead and add my flaked mackerel. And then add our chopped tomatoes. Go ahead and stir everything in. Go ahead and add some salt. Salt is always to your taste. And then I'll cover it up on a medium heat, guys. Guys, let's check on our garden eggs. It looks okay, but I still have to give it a little bit of time, maybe 2 minutes more. Go ahead and add our cabbage, guys. Look at this. These are all cabbage, the back of the cabbage. Never throw it away. Always use it in your sauces. They also have a lot of vitamins in it. You know how to see how green they look. It comes out really nutritious. And it brings a lot of taste to your stews, guys. Stir everything in. And on a medium heat, we cover it up and then come back and check on it. Then you add our garden eggs because our garden eggs is already cooked, so we don't need much time to cook. Look at this yummy goodies here. Ahead and add our garden eggs. Ahead and stir everything in, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It looks so delicious. And nutritious, see? The nutrition aspect is also important. That is the #1 priority. Because they say your beauty and everything comes with you. So guys, look at this. It looks so yummy. The salt. Look at this, guys. It looks so yummy. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious garden eggs cabbage sauce stew. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss, kiss.